Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I was at the Next Level Laser show last week in Grapevine, Texas, near Dallas, and I stumbled upon a booth called TruFlat, and I'm a big fan of flat plywood. Now, most people that do a core with veneers on the outside use MDF. And I just talked to the owner this morning on an email. Theirs is HDF. MDF stands for medium density fiberboard. HDF stands for high density fiberboard. So it's more compressed. I don't know all the logistics. So they gave me some samples at the show. And first of all, I want to state I'm not being paid to make this. I'm not affiliated with them. But when I find a good product, I like showing it off. So I just went out to the shop, took this file, and they have me some samples coming of larger sheets that I'll make a second video of for to make sure it lays flat. And I'm going to do some testing. I'm going to put a sheet in the house and put a sheet in the shop and let it sit there. My normal plywood I keep under weights, and then I still have to use some sort of clamp. But they have like 8 different flavors. And if you've been engraving long enough, you know that oak doesn't engrave very well. Well, that's because of the grains that are in the oak. I'm really, truly impressed with this. This is a veneer type product, and the HDF burns really good, and then it wipes off. I actually used alcohol on a rag that I use for everything, but I think just water would do it. They actually like a magic eraser. But they've got some stuff I've never seen before. This is painted white. I mean, look at that. It just wiped right off. This is a product I've never seen anywhere before called linen. And it's got a really nice feel and really nice look. I'm going to leave their website, and I'm going to leave their, they have distributors. So here's all their different finishes. Now they say MDF on the website, but they're going to change that. And they've just come out with cherry. They've got starter pack. They've got maple, oak, walnut. This is that white. I don't even think this is painted. And then the linen, black. And I tested my 3, and it's a game changer to me. It cuts good. I cut it. It cuts fine. So I'm going to leave a link at the bottom of the video for the website and for the distributor list. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.